Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the look we're going to be recreating today. Everyone and their mama has been doing the foxy eye trendy tutorial, which is basically like a cat eye, you know. So I'm going to show you how I did mine. So I'm starting with the Revlon Color Stay foundation. This is actually my first time using this foundation and I hate it. I'm gonna either give it away or put it on my Depop that I sell makeup on or whatever, but I did not like it. I mean, I used a brush to apply it, maybe that was why. And then this is the 430 Beauty Glisten Up Mist. It's very, very dewy and shiny. I added it because I really wanted to, like, blend this foundation out. I don't know, it was weird and patchy, and it was not a good look, okay? I don't know if it was, like, a bad bottle or something, but yeah, anyway. This is the Morphe concealer, and I'm just putting that all over my face and blending out with, this is a Pretty Fresh sponge from the Pretty Fresh collection from ColourPop, and I'm just blending that out, and I did spray it with that Glisten Up spray. I wanted to be very dewy today. I am pretty oily, is my natural skin type, more like combo oily, but yeah, so anyway, I'm going in with the banana powder from ABH, and I'm just setting all under my eyes, and I also set my my eyelids as well. I never usually set those. I like when my concealer or whatever I have on there is very tacky for eyeshadow application, but because I am not doing really any eyeshadow application on my actual lid, it's only like on the outer corner, I just set it with powder. So anyway, this is the Ka-Brow from Benefit in the shade number 3. I love this stuff. I haven't used it in quite a while, but it's a really, really, really good brow product. After combing the product through my brows, I am using a flat concealer brush and cleaning up under just to sharpen it and make it nice and clean, and I'm doing that on the top and the bottom. I am using the same powder, and I'm just baking the sides of my nose and kind of under my eyes as well, just to get a nice sharp contour line. And then afterwards I will bronze it and contour my nose off of camera. I don't think I did it on camera. I am using the L'Oreal Lumi bronzer again. I freaking love this. I mentioned this in my last video and it's just so good. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love it. So I'm just chiseling out my jawline and everything, and then I'm using the Apricot in the Middle by Wet n Wild blush. I put a little bit too much on. These blushes are so freaking good and they're only like $2 or $3 or something. Wet n Wild is just so underrated. Like, they're so freaking bomb. And then I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics, the loose highlighter in Extra, which this highlight is real extra, okay? And then I'm just putting that on my nose, tip of my nose, inner corner, my brow bone, and of course all over my cheekbones. And it's just so beautiful. Like, look how freaking glowy it is. Like, it's just so stunning, and it just melts into the skin. Like, oh, it's stunning. So now we're going on with the eyes. I did finish my face. This is the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I was making that face because it's very dirty. Clearly I love this palette. I've used it a lot. So I'm just taking 2 of the warm brown shades and I'm mixing them together on a angled brush, and I'm just doing a basic cat eye. If somebody can tell me the difference between the foxy eye trend and the basic cat eye that's been around for ages, please let me know, because I don't know the difference, okay? So I'm taking the angled brush, I put the first colors down, and then I'm taking the very, very tiny flat detail brush by Morphe, and I'm just blending that upwards just a bit, just because I want it kind of like a smoky wing. And then I'm taking a pencil brush and a very, very light brown shade from the palette, and I'm just blending that upwards. And as you can see, I'm just focusing everything on like the wing and not actually putting anything in my crease or inner corner or whatever. So I'm just doing just the wing. And I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, and then I do add a little bit of darker on the ends and blending that upwards as well, just to have a really nice gradient effect. And then here I'm taking the black shadow from the palette, and I'm doing the little tiny inner corner thing. It's like a little tiny cat eye in your inner corner. You're just gonna follow the natural tear duct that you have, and yeah, everyone's gonna look a little different because everybody's eyeballs are different, but yeah, it's really fun. I did add some black liner on top of it by Ico, I think it's Ico, sorry. And then this is the Lash Princess mascara by Essence. really good mascara. It's only $5, and it would not be a tutorial of mine if I did not get mascara on my bottom lash line, because I'm a child and I don't know how to put it on right, apparently. And then I'm using a ColourPop lippy pencil. I don't remember the shade. It might be BFF, if I'm not mistaken. Either that or 951, one of the two. And then I'm taking a, what is this? Oh, Dose of Colors Truffle Liquid Lipstick. I couldn't remember what I used. And then I did use the gloss from Maybelline within the shade Tease. It's so good, the Vivid Hot Lacquer. And I set my my skin, and I'm pouncing it in with the Beauty Bakery Settings Mist, the setting spray. It's super good too. And yeah, that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. Just let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I love you. Goodbye.